जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 53rd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग द एसेंस ऑफ ऑल द उपनिषद्स to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, Arjuna, you should aim to attain Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization, which is also called as Yogam. For that, first thing you have to do is keep on developing unshakable faith in our Veda Shastra. Then keep on hearing from elderly people, scholarly people and acharyas about Atma. Now, whatever you hear from them, whatever you listen from them, keep meditating upon that, keep on remembering that. Does your mind allows you to do that? No. Your mind is always tends to be attracted by mundane things, all other things which are different from Atma. Why your mind is so much attracted towards that? The moment you remember any kind of worldly things and mundane things, mind goes behind them. Why it is happening? Because of weakness in your mind. How to overcome that weakness? How to make your mind stronger? Your mind is weak because there is so much of pressure on your mind. What kind of pressure you are giving to your mind? As you perform your duties, instantly you are expecting results of your actions. That is the huge amount of pressure you are giving to your mind. With that pressure, your mind is getting so weak. The weak mind cannot keep thinking about Atma. The weak mind will be going behind all mundane things. Now your aim is to have your mind always think about your Atma. For that, first thing you have to do is make your mind stronger. That means do not seek results of your actions. Keep on performing your duties without an attachment to the result, which is also known as Nishkama Karma. If you keep performing your actions like that, your mind will become very strong. Then your mind will be able to think about Atma non-stop, without any break, without any disturbance. That is called Akhanda Dhyanam. When your mind gets to that state of thinking about Atma, that kind of state of mind is known as Samadhi. Now, what is your mind thinking about? Atma. That Atma is, the things about Atma is known as Prajna. Your mind, which is in the Samadhi state, thinking about Atma, which is known as Prajna. So this Atma and about Atma, these thoughts are strongly established in your mind. Then you are known as Sthita Prajna. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma helping all of us to follow a process to attain our goal, which is Atma Sakshatkaram, which is also known as Yogam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Shruti Viprati Pannate Yada Sthasyati Nischala Samadho Achala Buddhihi Tada Yogam Avapsyasi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your actions as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my actions as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama Kalpataror Galitam Phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava Sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam. Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam Pravrajantam Apeta Krutyam. Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava. Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Vineduhu. Tam Sarva Bhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshin Maharaju has reached Prabhasa Tirtham, which is on the banks of Saraswati river. There, Parikshin Narendra got to see one person who is looking like a king, Dadrusen Rupalanchanam. He is hitting, kicking cow and bull and torturing cow and bull. Parikshit has seen that. Vrusham Mrunaladhavalam, that bull is in a white color, because that person is hitting that Vrishabham bull. That is why Vrishabham Mehantam, Vrishabham is urinating, and that person is kicking the cow, which can give milk and ghee for all kind of righteous Vedic activities. To such that cow, this person is kicking and also hitting on the legs of the cow. Vivatsam Ashruvadanam. As and how, if the cow loses the calf, how that cow cries, like that cow is crying. Then cow also craving for some grass. Parikshittu is observing everything. Parikshittu is in his chariot Kartasvara Parichadam Radhamarudha. He is sitting in his chariot, which is a golden chariot. That now Parikshittu is asking this person, Megha Gambhiraya Vacha, with a big screaming sound. Parikshittu asking this person, Kastvam, who are you? Why are you hitting and kicking Vrishabham and cow? If I look at you, you are looking like Naradevopi Veshena. You are looking like a king. But the things that you are doing is not matching to your form. Just because Yastvam Krishne Gate Duram Saha Gandiva Dhanvana, just because Krishna and Arjuna, both of them are not anymore on this earth, is that the reason you are trying to do all these things that which you should not be doing and nobody is supposed to be doing? Like this, Parikshittu is asking that person. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukunda Murdhna Pranipatya Yache Bhavantam Ekantamiyanthamardham Avismrutihi Tvacharanāravinde Bhave Bhave Me Astu Bhavat Prasadat. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 53rd sloka. Shruti Vipratipannate Yada sthasyati Nischala Samadhau Achala Buddhihi Tada Yogam Avapsyasi. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.